Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we are here because
we're doing a Stitch Fix unboxing.
So this is Ashlynn's back to school box. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service where you get, for adults it's 5 items, but for kids it's 10 items. We're gonna look inside of her box and we have our price invoice. And we have her style card and her stylist note. So I'm gonna read her note real quick. It says, "Hi Ashlynn, welcome to your back to school fix. Since your mom mentioned that you wanted some more jean shorts, I made sure to pick out 3 pairs to help keep you cool and stylish for school. I especially can't wait to hear what you think of the sparkly patches and rainbow details. Mix them with the rainbow tee or add in some fall color with the burgundy striped tee or the orange cold shoulder top. I also included this black floral dress for a cute picture day outfit. Just add a denim jacket when it starts to get chilly where you live. This striped maxi dress is perfect for the different temps too. Try them on, asking your mom to let me know what you think of everything as she checks out. Enjoy, Erica. P.S. Is there anything else you need for the fall? If so, have your mom leave your wish list for me." You get your return mailer because shipping is free both ways, which is really, really convenient. And so there are 2 bundles in her box. Which one do you want to start with?
This one.
So go ahead and pull that one out and you can show them what it looks like. So,
here's one side.
Yep, that's one side. You want to flip it over?
Yeah.
Oh. Go ahead and pop that open. So what's the first item?
It's a shirt.
Free your style, and it looks like this. It's a cute little graphic tee with some sparkle. This is the RUMI and RYDER, the Easy Graphic Tee. That's really cute. What do you think about that?
I think it looks pretty cute.
Yep, cute. Okay, next.
We have another t-shirt. It's really soft.
Ooh, it is really soft. And it's kind of like a gray and a pink stripe. I think in her note she said it was burgundy, but it looks more like a hot pink to me, doesn't it, you?
Yeah.
Okay, and it has what?
A little tie.
A cute little tie on the front. You like those, don't you?
Yeah.
Cute. Oh, it's so soft.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
I think this is the dress that she was talking about.
Oh yeah, the picture day floral dress, right?
Yeah. Picture day floral dress.
Yeah, it's black. It's got pink and lavender and white flowers. I'm gonna move up real close so you can see. And it's got that little keyhole detail in the back.
It's like a back shower.
This is RUMI and RYDER Armanda fit and flare dress, and I forgot to tell you what this one was. This is also RUMI and RYDER, and it is the side tie tee. So all 3 are from the same brand. Okay, what's next?
We got this long dress.
Ooh, a maxi dress. You don't have any maxi dresses, do you?
Never.
And this is navy and white, and it's got this coral.
Like a peach coral-y.
Yeah, like a little peach coral detail. And let me read the tag here. It says, "Moon and Stars Mimi French Terry Maxi Dress." What do you think about that?
I think it looks pretty cute.
So it's got that little tie waist right there. And it's got this cute little kind of racer back. Yeah. Let's see, does it have any slips? Oh, it's got some slips in the side.
Yay!
You like that? Cute.
I always wanted a slit dress.
This would be cute to take to the beach next week, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We have a second bundle. Yes. Tons of jean shorts in there.
Jeans definitely slipped out
And
right here.
This is a cute little color for fall. It looks like a kind of a rust color. I like that.
I know what that one is.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and open it. First one.
It's another shirt with another tie.
Oh, another tie shirt. It's got some cute little pandas on it. I'm going to bring it up here. And it says, "Rolling with my homies." Do you like that?
Yeah, that's cute.
Cute little front tie. The other top was a little side tie. That's soft too, isn't it?
Here we go. It's another shirt.
Another shirt.
So it has tie sleeves.
It has tie sleeves and it says "Girl Hero," and it's got this little rainbow sparkly detail on the front. And cute little tie sleeves right here. You like tie sleeve tops, don't you?
Yeah, but it's kind of like hard to find where it is if it's a cold shoulder.
Yeah, it's not a cold shoulder. It just has the tie on the sleeve. Really soft and cute. Do you like that? Mm-hmm. Okay, next. I think this is what you're most excited about.
This was the one that I did the thumbs up, thumbs down on.
Ashlynn does that thumbs up, thumbs down game. We try to do it daily, but sometimes when she doesn't do it, I'll do it for her. But she had did it and saw this and gave it a thumbs up, and it showed up in her box, which was really cute. So this is the Love Glam Girl Caterina Cold Shoulder Top in burnt orange. And it's got these little straps here. Does it have a tie in the front? Yep, it's got a tie. We've got lots of tie shirts this time. I forgot to read the tag on this one. This one is Third Wish Clothing Shea Tie Sleeve Keyhole Back Top. Yeah, and I didn't even see that. It had a keyhole in the back. Okay.
The rest are jean shorts. So.
Yep.
These are the ones that have the rainbows on it. Oh, they're still stretchy like the others.
So Ashlynn loves Stitch Fix jean shorts because they're super stretchy and they're comfortable to her, and these have quite a bit of stretch in them. They've got that little rainbow stripe going down the side. That would be cute with that little rainbow top. Yeah, these are the Studio V or Studio 5 Renesme side tape shorts. Yeah.
Studio V, whatever it is.
Studio V.
And this one says Studio V.
So same brand. And this one is the Teagan cuff short. You want to show them that one? So this one's got a little cuff. Yeah, let's see. Can you roll that down, or is it? Nope, it's cuffed up to stay. And it's kind of nice because it's stitched all the way across. It's not going to roll down right there. And it's got some frayed fraying right there for some detail. And it's got these cute little peace sign and a little emoji smiley with a bow.
Yeah, that's so cute.
And the back looks like that. Cute. These are stretchy too.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is just a basic pair of dark frayed jean shorts.
And this a little scratch.
Yep, so that's called distressing when you have that. Can you say distressing?
Distressing.
Yeah, so that's what that's called. This is the Emily frayed hem short, and that's interesting. Look at the back. It's got a pocket, and then it's got one side that doesn't have a pocket.
Ooh, that's
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it has some distressing and frayed hem. These are not as stretchy, or they don't feel as stretchy as the other one. All right, so what are we gonna do now?
Try them on, and we'll be right back in a second. Bye.
All right, so we are back with the first outfit, and she has on one of the pairs of the jean shorts and the cold shoulder top. So Ashlynn, what you thinking?
I'm thinking I will keep this one.
She loves that cold shoulder top.
Yeah, and I'm not sure about this one.
She doesn't know how she feels about the shorts with the missing pocket, but I think they look super cute on you. They fit really well.
Yeah.
Do you like the tie in the front?
Yeah.
So do you think you would like to keep that top?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try on another top with these shorts, and we'll be right back.
Bye.
All right, so we are back with this little gray top, and it has a tie front, just like the other top. We have a lot of tie fronts in this box. What do you think, Ashlynn?
I think I like the panda shirt that says go
rolling
with my homies.
Rolling with my homies.
Which I think is really cute.
Is it comfortable?
Yes.
All right, so thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
All right. We'll be back with the next outfit. So we are back with our next outfit, and this is the next pair of shorts I have. You want to lift up your shirt and show them the shorts? Yeah. The peace sign and the little emoji on the front. And then we have this another tie front top. Pull that down. What do you think, Ashlynn?
I think I will keep this top, and I think I might keep these too. So I give them 2 thumbs up. Okay, we're gonna do the next outfit, and I'll see you later.
All right, so we have on the same pair of shorts, but we have changed with another top, and this is that little glittery top that says "Free Your Style." You guys are really cute with those little shorts, don't you?
Yeah. It's super cute.
Do you give it a thumbs up?
Yeah, thumbs up, thumbs up.
Okay.
I'll be here with the next top.
All right, so we are back with the last pair of shorts and the little rainbow top that goes with them. So Ashlynn, let's talk about the shorts. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Those are some really cute shorts.
I like the rainbows because I see rainbows after it rains sometimes. And it says girl hero.
And turn around, you got that little keyhole in the back right there. That's super cute right there.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
All right, we'll be back. We've got dresses to try on.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we are back with this first dress, and this is the little black dress with the floral print. And Ashlynn, what do you think?
I think this is really cute. I like how it has the flowers and some stars and then some dots, and that's super pretty. So I'll give this 2 thumbs up.
So this is, it's got pockets right where the, it's got some pockets right there. I think we like this one, right?
We'll be back with the next dress, and I do like it.
All right, so we're back with this last little dress, and it is the Maxi dress, and it is really, really cute. It fits everywhere, but it is a touch too long. So I don't know what to do about that. I guess we could have it hemmed, but it fits everywhere else. So Ashlynn, go ahead and tell them what you think.
I think this is super cute. I like the peachy color, and I like this top because it has like white and navy in it.
I guess you could get some cute little wedge shoes to wear with it, and that would help with it because it looks like it's maybe like an inch
too long.
Too long. We could either have it hemmed, or we could try to do some little wedge shoes for to kind of give her some height with it. So she's pretty tall, so I'm kind of surprised that it's that long on her, but super cute. And her stylist suggested a jean jacket to go over it for school. So. All right, so we'll be back with a recap.
See you in a second.
All right, we are back to do the recap, and so we're going to start with the first item was the Studio V Renesme side tape short, and that was $22. And Ashlynn, did you like those?
Yeah.
Okay. Next was the Vigoss Teagan cuff short. And that was these really cute shorts. Did you like those?
Yeah.
These are also $22. Next is the RUMI and RYDER Armanda fit and flare dress. And did you like this dress?
Yes.
It was $24. Next was the Moon and Stars Mimi French Cherry Maxi dress. And it was $24. Did you like that dress?
Yes.
We just got to figure out what to do with the length. I think it's super cute. Next is the RUMI and RYDER, the Easy Graphic Tee. Did you like this one?
Yes.
And this is $14. Really cute. And then we have the Love Glam Girl Caterina Cold Shoulder Top. And it was $22, and I know that she loved this top, didn't you? Mm-hmm. This was probably her favorite piece in the box. Then we have the DL 1961 Emily Frayed hem short, and these were the ones that she was in question on because she doesn't know how she feels about the missing pocket. But they are the most expensive thing in the box. They are $26. Then we have the Chit Chat Miley tie front tee, and that was this one right here with the little pandas that she liked, and it is $14. Next is the Third Wish Clothing Shea tie sleeve keyhole top, and it is $16. Did you like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And then last but not least, we have the RUMI and RYDER, the side tie tee. And that was this one. Did you like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it was $16. So the stylist pick subtotal was $200. The buy all discount of 25% takes off $50. So now we're down to $150. We did have 2 friends sign up under our referral link, and that takes off $100. And then we did a styling fee of $20. Shipping is free. So the whole box is only $30. So what do you think? Keep it all or send it back?
Keep it all.
She says keep it all. So for $30, I really can't complain about that. So until next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.